Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum. So yesterday we left off at this chapter. We completed the Clojure from the ground up basic types, where we learned about integers and fractional numbers, mathematical operations, strings and boolean and logic, etc. Symbols, what are symbols, keywords, lists, vectors, and sets and maps. We also finished this Hello REPL chapter in the Clojure workshop, and this contained a lot of information. For example, like *1 is the last, *1 access is the last output of the REPL, and things like if, do, and when, how to define functions, and what are local bindings, global bindings, etc. And we also solved a couple of activities or programs, and I think this has more jam-packed information. Today, first I'll try to set up my VS Code environment, where I've installed the Calva plugin already in the first stream, I guess, but I haven't used this, and I want to see how this would improve my workflow. Or if we aren't able to do so, then we'll use the terminal as before, but let's see how it goes. So first I'll try to set up VS Code for this, and then we will quickly go through this Clojure from the ground up functions chapter, and I think we might have covered most of this in the yesterday stream, so probably I'll go through this very quickly, and then we will go through this data types and immutability chapter, and after that, if there's time, we will solve a couple of foreclosure problems, and that will be all for today, inshallah. So first, let's try Java VS Code. It was Java, right? Wait. Yes, wait, I forgot to change my network again. I'll quickly change it to my 4G device. Hopefully that will result in a better stream quality. The website documentation record. Let's go to the getting started guide. Okay, I guess first we'll have to create a Clojure project, and then we can connect it through jacking. But how to create a Clojure project? Features. There's no information about. Okay, line. Yeah, I guess we created a project in the first stream called Scratch. We'll try to load through that. And here we'll give the command or Control Alt C. What was that? Control Alt C and Control Alt J. Control Alt C, Control Alt J. We'll simply choose line name. Output.java. Let's see how it works and if it works. Still launching. Oh, comment is also found. Comment. It's taking quite a while. Yeah, that's what I don't like about I don't know, Java based environments, because they feel so slowish to me. In Julia this would have taken like a couple of milliseconds, I guess. Okay, so while this loads, let's quickly go through this chapter, Clojure from the ground up functions. Today, we'll learn about this. Okay, when you type map opens, what really happens? It's a keyword. This is a keyword. Keywords are kind of like strings, but I guess we can use those for better error protection and syntax highlighting, not syntax highlighting, auto completion features, etc. Listen. Okay, we learned about the let bindings yesterday as well in the Clojure workshop. And we learned about this thing called verb and their meaning, etc. For example, plus is a symbol and it points to the verb or the action, that is core plus, which is in the clojure.core namespace, and it's a function defined as plus and this identifier. Okay, so the REPL has loaded. Let's try it out. Okay, let's quickly copy paste this and see how it moves. Place the cursor behind the form *22, behind the form *22, and issue the command Control Enter. Probably, I don't know what happened. Control V here and issue the command Control Enter. Yeah, there it is. But okay, now issue the command Alt Enter. You should see the whole term getting highlighted and being displayed inline. Okay, Alt Enter. It's not displaying inline, it's like, okay, Evaluate each form inside the comment form using the top level command. You should see each one of them evaluated. Like if we see here, then it's being evaluated or being printed right in front of it, but here it's showing it at the bottom. And that is strange. Okay, let's try running hello REPL, and this gives an exception. Let's try this. It gives one math.absolute. Let's define hello function, string hello, range temp, and hello Clojure. I don't know if this is more intuitive or a better workflow than what we're already